Welcome to my channel. If you are in this channel, you're going to learn everything about sales, closing, and how we can improve your income. Now, in this channel, we are going to deep dive about the skill, the techniques, the mindset, and everything that you need to win the sales game. If you're a salesperson or you're a business owner, even someone like just learning how that you can do sales and get sales going on, this is the right place for you. So my name is Andreas. I have been here for about 5 years in the sales game, and I've been ramping up my skills, working with Fortune 500 companies in the US, and now I'm come back in Malaysia, and I am sharing all the experience, all the things that I learned so far from my mentors, and things that I've failed before, and how I raise back up from those failures, and how we can win the sales game, close more deals, and get better results, especially in outbound outreach and making appointments, getting to your follow-up, and win the sales game. I want to share with you a lot of stuff that I know, a lot of experience, the failures, the things that I learned the hard way, so you don't have to go through all of that and get to understand how that you can actually dive better into sales, making more result in commission, and increase your income. Now, if you're on this channel, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you soon inside so you can start learning.